morning, good afternoon and good evening to all. Welcome back to Excel user series 4.0 and video number 6. This is Vinod from Myself Academy YouTube channel. In today's video we are about to see one of the dimension where we can avoid an XLOOKUP function. If you are a big lover of index and match function, you can still stick to that. Again, there will be a small change in our fag end of our formula where we will not use a match function. Instead of an XMATCH function will be used. In this data set, I am about to show you how we are about to use an XMATCH function and what is a plus point that we have here. I have already done this data set once in our list here. I'll just showcase that how I can use the new way instead of the old way. Normally when I want to calculate this data set, and again if you see this data set, it's a very rare scenario that we will come across when I use a match function in an index front. The agenda of this data set is that to find out the pipe size that I can use for a specific set of land's square foot footage or square footages here. I have a pipe size which is 11. I would like to take the sizes that is mentioned here. My default sizes that I get in my brain sizes is 1, 3, 5, 4. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 15. I don't see 11 here. If that is the case, then probably we won't be taking up the data set by the exact match here. So when I go back to my index function, this is what the function that we normally use prior to our data set, and we'll see to that the data set comes correctly. So index will take all the data set and I'll press an F4 once, which is an absolute cell reference. I'll give a comma. I'm interested only matching the data set here, and when I do that, I again hit the absolute cell reference, but this time around I'll take greater than symbol. This is a very rare scenario that we do in our list. When I do that, I'm going to close the bracket double time here, and you see the data set is not coming properly because my data set can be done in only a sorted manner here. So when I do that in a descending order or the largest to smallest, my answer will come into play. When I swap back to the other method, it will not work for me. What we have done in our olden videos is we created a XLOOKUP functionality to achieve this. The lookup value is this, and the lookup vector is this, and the result vector is this. Then I give a comma for if not found. I'll leave it blank, and then when I take a match mode, I'll tell the system if the data is not exactly matching with the conditions here, please do take the next largest value available for us. When I close the bracket and give an enter, that's going to populate the same answer. The advantage of doing this is when I sort them in any other order, sorry about that, I just sorted it in a wrong place, you still get the answer correctly. But if you are a big fan of index and you don't want to lose or miss the index functionality here, there is a catch here. You can use an XMATCH function instead of a match functionality here. So I'm going to use the same index function again, and then I'll give a comma and I'll go for XMATCH instead of a match functionality. So the match is going to be my lookup value and the table array. I don't want to lock it. I'll give exact match here by the largest value here. I double close the bracket and give an enter. That's going to give you the answer for you. And now you sort the data in any order that you want. You still get the right answer without an XLOOKUP functionality. If you're a big lover of index and match function, probably you will enjoy this data better. Hope you guys have enjoyed the logic here, a new logic which allows you to learn more about it. This is Vinod signing out from Excel user series 4.0, and this is your video number 6. Happy learning.